Hi, I am Ernesto, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to install Active Directory. Active Directory is a service that allows you to control users on your network, so it's very important to know how to use it, and it's like the most basic system administrator task. So let's start. The first thing you have to make sure is that you have a static IP address. This is a requirement because when you install Active Directory, it needs to install also a service which is called DNS. DNS gives you a, let's say, a domain name for your server. So in this case, we're gonna create a domain name named boyarport.com. So as you will know, if you have a, a domain, you need to state a really specific IP address by saying that that's the address that um, points to your server. You know, it's some kind of complicated, but you will understand it better later. So I'm gonna use the start with 192.168, and I'm gonna be in the range of 10, and this is gonna be the one. Now let's get the default net mask, and I'm gonna enter my gateway address, which is like the address of my router. Now I'm gonna change the range of my network to 1. So now we have to assign the address for the DNS server, which is gonna be the same as this one because that's the address of my server. So then we click OK, and we can close these windows. Now we have to go to Start, and we are gonna do this using Windows PowerShell. Windows PowerShell is like CMD but way better. So to install a feature, we have to open it as administrator. To do this, we have to right click it, and we go to more, and here run as administrator. So once open, uh, we're gonna type the following command. We're gonna install a Windows feature called AD, which is the shortened version of Active Directory domain service. That is like the part of Active Directory we want for now. We're gonna include the management tools that allow us to get like the whole service, including interfaces, windows, wizards, etc. So we hit enter, and now we got a problem. So once we have Windows PowerShell open, we will type the first command. We're going to install a Windows feature called AD, which is the shortened version of Active Directory, domain services, that is like a part of this service that we want for now. Then we're gonna include the management tools that are like it get it gives you like the whole service. You know, you get interfaces like that help you to interact with the service by many ways. So we're gonna select incident. Well, now it is installed. It says that I don't need a restart. And the next thing we have to do is to install a forest. We have to add a forest, which is like the place where the users are gonna be set. So we're gonna type the following command: hit enter, and we have to select a domain name. I'm gonna choose one for my purpose, but you will have to choose one different for yours. And then we need to type the password and confirm it. Then it's gonna be asking me some questions, so I just want to skip it by saying yes to all by typing the letter A. Okay, so the Forest is been installed and it has to restore my computer to apply the changes. So as you can see, my computer restarted and now we enter on the new user, uh, which is the administrator for the new domain name, which is voy a reprobar. So after this we have to enter the password we set before. Well, we're now logging, and if you go to your network settings, you will see that we are on the new domain name network. So you can close it now, and the next step is to create some users for the Active Directory. For that, we're gonna go ahead and open up Windows PowerShell again. We will now type the following command: here the username goes. So my user is gonna be Ignacio, and we have to set an account password. We have to enter it between quotes. Make sure this is uh, a complex password, because if Active Directory doesn't allow you to uh, save that password, it will create the user with errors, and we don't want to get this. So make sure it is a complex password. And we are gonna enable this new user, and we hit enter. Then we will confirm the password, and now this user is created. I'm gonna create one user more, and now we have finished this practice. We install Active Directory, we add a forest, and we created two users. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped you.